नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं सनी जोशी ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਅਭਿਨੰਦਨ, ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਮੂਵਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਅਚੀਵਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਿ ਮੂਵਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਅਚੀਵਰਸ ਦਾ ਮੇਨ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਯੂਥ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਕਰਨਾ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਐਪੀਸੋਡਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਯੂਥ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ। ਔਰ ਹਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ। ਅੱਜ ਇਟਸ ਅ ਟੋਟਲ ਪਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਕਿ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੈਂਡੀ ਬਸੀਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਕਾਇਰੋਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਸਾਗਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਵਰ 15 ਇਅਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਆ ਔਰ ਮੂਵਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਅਚੀਵਰਸ ਦੇ ਜ਼ਰੀਏ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। Dr. Sandy, welcome to Movers and Achievers.
Thank you for having me. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu alaikum. And first thing I wanted to say is, Sunny, I am just going to say I'm very proud of you. What you're doing for the community is incredible. Very humbled to be here, but I think you are actually a mover and achiever yourself. So honored to be here, though.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sandy. Dr. Sandy, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਦਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਕਗਰਾਉਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੀਦੀ ਆ for the viewers that are probably not aware of you. ਲੇਕਿਨ at the same time, people in Brampton, Mississauga, ਖਾਸਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨ ਦੇ ਆ, they're very aware of you because ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਰੇਡੀਓ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ on health and empowering the youth. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਟੈਲੀਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਆ, you write articles, ਤੁਸੀਂ online ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਿਆ, and I was going through a lot of the stuff and I read ਕਿ you have personally performed over 197 chiropractic adjustments so far.
197,000.
197,000.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes. No, that's okay. That's okay. So yes, I feel like if you ask me about my journey, so my passion is to see. I just want to help humanity. I want to see everyone live to their full potential. And I've been blessed. It's funny, it's 15 years, and you probably know this too. It goes in a blink of an eye.
Yes, it does.
And if you ask me where I am right now, when you even call to come on this, like I feel like I'm just getting started. I'm still a work in progress, still have a lot to learn. But I've been blessed, and every time you go to work, you get a little sharper, you get a little better. But I think if your driving passion is to help people, and it starts with the person in front of you, amazing things can happen.
Right. Dr. Sandy, Movers and Achievers ਤੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ politicians ਆਏ ਆ, sports personalities ਆਏ ਆ, actors ਆਏ ਆ, ਔਰ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ we'll have people coming from all walks of life.
Excellent.
Some movers and achievers, the achievers try to keep a little low profile. They do a lot. And ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ one of those ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. You've been doing so much for the community, within the community, South Asian, Punjabi ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ. But you're keeping sort of a low profile. You're on radio, you're on television, ਆਪਣੀ practice ਦੇ ਜ਼ਰੀਏ ਵੀ. But is it a deliberate move to sort of keep a low profile, or is that the real Dr. Sandy Bhasin?
That is me. That's been my style. I just, again, just coming from a place of service. And my vision is even, sure, I'm a chiropractor, I have an office. Even if someone can hear a message I say and I inspire them, I've done my job. And I just want to focus on serving, helping the people. Even coming on this show, I'm again humbled and everything, but it's just about the people. And I just want people to feel that passion that, wow, he's there to move us forward, to move the community forward. Right. That's where I'm coming from. Right. So yeah, I feel shy to talk about myself, yes. Right.
Dr. Sandy, ਕੀ background where is your family from? ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋਕ ਹੈਗੇ?
Absolutely. So my family, my dad and mom originally are from India, from Delhi. Okay. Came here. And it's the classic immigrant story, and I think that's what drives me to this day. Is my dad literally came to the country, $100 in his pocket, no resources, no nothing. Few friends, few family people were here that helped him, but have ingrained in us, I think every day we learn that living in such a great country like Canada is such a blessing. And I think the thing we see with immigrants, and my dad taught me, is work very hard and always be grateful. And I think if anyone's listening, the youth or any age, that is the recipe for success. If you're always grateful and you're working hard, of course you're going to achieve great things. And I'm glad we went through that. And at an early age, going to India, realizing that some people are not eating all the time. Some people don't have a proper house. At a young age, when I saw that, I realized early on what a blessing it is to be in Canada. And then from there, my dad got married. I was born actually in Brampton. Very proud to be part of Brampton, still living in Brampton. But I think about some of the things that shaped me. Our dad, with a lot of pride, would say, I came here with nothing, and with hard work and gratitude, look what happened. So you guys should have just be grateful and work hard. And I think that's, if anyone can get any advice, that's huge.
Right. Dr. Saab, your dad and mom came to this country
Yes.
probably in the 60s, I would say.
Late 60s, early 70s. Yes.
Early 70s. ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਦ ਆਪਣੀ schooling ਕੀਤੀ,
Yes.
it was probably the late 70s, probably, or
Yeah, that's correct. Yes,
late
yes,
70s
yes.
is when you started
Sure.
school. ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਹੈਗਾ
Yes.
ਔਰ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਸੋ ਮਨੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਆਫ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਐਮਪੀਪੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਸਿਟੀ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਵੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਡਿਫੈਂਸ
Absolutely.
ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਸੋ ਹਾਊ ਵਾਸ ਦੈਟ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ
Oh, man.
ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕੀ ਹਰਡਲਸ ਕੀ ਫੇਲਿਅਰਸ ਸਕੂਲਿੰਗ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੇਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ
So I would say, I think, you know, when you're young, you don't even see color. You're not even aware of it. And again, being raised in Brampton, you know, it's hard to believe at a time, Brampton, where there's a strong Punjabi South Asian community. But at that time, there weren't that many South Asians or Indian people. And I remember going to school, getting harassed, threatened, you know, people wanting to beat you up because of the color of your
Brampton
skin.
ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਹੋਇਆ।
In Brampton, if you can imagine, because I think in our school we might have had maybe 2 Indian people, maybe 2 or 3.
Wow.
And just getting bullied, harassed, and it was very tough. And I think the blessing, now I'm a dad, I have kids, and we're blessed that, you know, they don't really have to face those things, but those were tough times, but I think it's made me who I am today.
ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲੈਣ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ
ਠੀਕ
ਟੇਕ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕੁਝ ਫੇਲਿਅਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਕਸੈਸਸ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ
Sure,
ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
absolutely.
ਦੋਸਤੋ ਯੂ ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਮੂਵਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਅਚੀਵਰਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਨੇ ਰਹੀਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੈਂਡੀ ਬਸੀਨ ਇਹ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਈ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਈਓ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਵੀਲ ਬੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਬੈਕ